Welcome to today's amazing video that will unveil the top 5 superfoods that can take your juice to the next level. These seemingly ordinary foods are easily accessible and have the power to 10x your juice's nutritional value. So, are you ready to give your health a boost without sacrificing taste? You're in for a treat, because we've got the insider scoop on the most nutrient-packed ingredients that can transform your juice game. Get ready to take notes and let's dive into the world of superfoods. Number 5 on our list. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that is packed with nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and K, folate, iron, and antioxidants. Adding spinach to your juice can help improve your immune system, support healthy bones, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Spinach also contains nitrates, which have been shown to improve exercise performance by increasing blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. At number 4 we have ginger. Ginger is a root that has been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it beneficial for reducing inflammation, improving digestion, and boosting the immune system. Adding ginger to your juice can also help relieve nausea and pain. Additionally, ginger has been shown to have anti-cancer properties and may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. Third on our list, blueberries. Blueberries are a delicious and nutritious superfood that is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. They are also low in calories, making them a great addition to your juice if you are watching your weight. Adding blueberries to your juice can help improve brain function, reduce inflammation, and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and diabetes. Blueberries also contain a type of flavonoid called anthocyanins, which have been shown to improve vision and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. At number 2 we have turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that is commonly used in Indian cuisine. It contains a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called curcumin, which has been shown to have numerous health benefits. Adding turmeric to your juice can help reduce inflammation, improve brain function, and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's disease. Turmeric also has antibacterial and antiviral properties, making it beneficial for boosting the immune system. And our number 1 top superfood to add to your juice is spirulina. Spirulina is a blue-green algae that has been touted as a superfood due to its high nutrient content. It is a rich source of protein, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Adding spirulina to your juice can help boost your immune system, improve digestion, and provide numerous other health benefits. One of the most significant benefits of spirulina is its high protein content. It contains all essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. This is particularly beneficial for vegans and vegetarians who may struggle to get enough protein in their diet. Spirulina is also easily digestible, making it an excellent source of protein for those with digestive issues. Spirulina is beneficial for reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer, diabetes, and heart disease, thanks to its high content of phycocyanin, a potent antioxidant that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects. In addition to its protein and antioxidant content, spirulina is also rich in vitamins and minerals. It is an excellent source of vitamins B1, B2, and B3, as well as iron, copper, and manganese. It also contains small amounts of other vitamins and minerals such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and zinc. Adding spirulina to your juice can help boost your nutrient intake and support overall health and wellness. In conclusion, adding superfoods to your juice can help boost its nutritional value and provide numerous health benefits. Spinach, ginger, blueberries, turmeric, and spirulina are all great superfoods to add to your juice. They are all rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, making them beneficial for improving immune function, reducing inflammation, and lowering the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. So, go ahead and experiment with adding these superfoods to your juice for a delicious and nutritious boost. And if you found this video useful, consider giving it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of healthy ways to stay fit, lose weight, and live a happier life. Check out this playlist of our top videos on eating healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.